So what's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I'm Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Biker Ankit. So today I'm at Mohan Motors Ducati at AJC Bose Road, and I'm here in order to give you a complete walk around upon the Ducati Multistrada V4S, which is a recent launch, and this is the top of the line adventure tourer motorcycle that you can buy, and it's one of the most advanced motorcycle that you can buy. So adventure tourer advancement, and it has features, several features that are found usually on top end cars, so that you have on a two-wheeler is a great thing. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, this is the Ducati Multistrada V4S in front of you, and you have this key. So there's this key, flip key, and this is a keyless motorcycle, so you would need it in case of emergency. So let me just switch on the DRLs for you. So there it comes to life with this brilliant animation. Yep. And this is when the lights are lit up, the DRLs. So let me just show you. So here you have the all LED headlamp along with this projector headlamp, and you also have the cornering setup here. So this kind of compensate for the cornering headlamp. And then you have the very signature Multistrada big in front of you, and underneath you have this USD forks, and then you have the spoke wheel version here. So this costs 1 lakh rupees over the normal alloy wheel version of the Multistrada V4S, and this is a 120 section front tire. These are Scorpion Trail 2, and you have the Brembo disc at the front, dual disc setup, and also the dual channel ABS. And here we have the extension from the tank, and this is a huge motorcycle. If you see the proper full-fledged adventure tourer, top of the line, and it's one of the most, or if not one of the, it's the most advanced motorcycle that you can buy in the current market. And why is it so, I'm going to tell you later on. And here you have this Ducati badging, which is 3D again, and here you have the Multistrada badging, and these are the indicators. So let me just turn on. So these are the indicators, body integrated, and here you have the exhalation fins from the radiator, which also looks really nice. It gives a very good presence onto this motorcycle. And underneath you have the winglets. So this is a very clever addition. You have winglets in the Multistrada. And coming to this engine, this is the V4. This is the V4 Gran Turismo engine, and here you can see the badging. So speaking about the power it produces is at 170 bhp, and the torque is at 125 newton meters, and this is a 1153 cc V4 engine that you can see in front of you. And you have this exhaust casing, and here you have the slim and sleek looking exhaust, which is upswept, so water weighting would be an easier thing. And coming to the chassis, so here you have this bolt-on frame at the rear, which looks really nice. It's finished in red color, which complements the red color tank and the shrouds, of course. And this is the rear end of the motorcycle, and this looks so much gorgeous, the tail lamp. And here you have the indicators. And coming to the rear tire, so these are also Scorpion Trail 2 tires, and you have the Brembo setup here. And these are 170 section rear tire, this one. And Anything which is unlike the normal Ducatis are this cast aluminium swing arm. So Ducatis usually have single-sided swing arm. We have seen this so far, but finally this has this cast aluminium swing arm on both the side that you can see. So that's what you have here. And another thing about this engine is that it dropped the signature desmodromic valve system. Rather, it has spring valve. So another thing that I need to mention is the front wheel. So the front wheel is at 19 inch and the rear wheel is at 17 inch. The previous Multistradas that we saw had the 17 inch wheel in the front, except for the Enduro. So finally it has a 19 inch wheel here, and that's what you have. Let me explain you all the details of the dash, but I will do it in a later video because there's a lot of thing that's going on. Now coming to the main highlight feature of this motorcycle, there's gonna be the radar. So you have one radar housing here. So here you have one radar housing. Another one you have is here. So how does this radar work? So this radar acts with the cruise control radar based system. So if a vehicle is in front of you in your lane, so it will automatically set the speed according to the speed of the front vehicle. So you have the settings of very far, and the very far and medium and quite near. So that's what you have. That's how you can adjust the distance with the front vehicle. And about the rear, speaking about the rear system, what you have, so you have blind spot detection with the rear radar. So if you overtake some vehicle, it will appear in your blind spot, and then if any vehicle approaches you from behind, and the vehicle will automatically alert you with these indicators that are here. The moment a vehicle falls into your blind spot, this one will blink and you will get alerted that someone is in your blind spot. And that's a very clever system. We have got to see this kind of system on high-end cars, maybe supercars or even Teslas, but finally this is the first time that any motorcycle manufacturer has incorporated this system on a two-wheeler. So it's a class apart technology that you can say. So coming to the windscreen, as you can see, it's adjustable. So it sits here, then you need to pull this latch in order to increase the height of it. And here you have the hand guards, and this is the tank. You can see how much huge it is. And coming to the seat, so the seat adjustment is from 840 mm to 860 mm. So that's your seat height. And here you have the rear pillion seat, which is also very huge, and you can just forget about any discomfort on this pillion seat. And here you have the rear top rack with the grab rail and whatnot. Yeah, there's another clever addition. So that's a small cubby space has been given here in order to hold your smartphone and small stuff. So it's quite deep underneath. So you also have a charging socket here. So that's a clever addition. Now we are going to check out the settings and the electronics of this Multistrada, especially in the instrument cluster. So let's check different modes. So there is riding mode, that is enduro, touring, sports. Then you have the inner settings of each and every mode. So you have engine, then traction control, then you have ABS, then you have wheelie control. This is the bidirectional quick shifter. Then you have suspension control, semi-adaptive suspension control. Then you have preload adjustment. Then back to normal. And apart from that, there are several other features like normal ABS, cornering ABS, and then it has this switchable ABS. And apart from that, you have all the information, the total range, trip 1, this is the constant fuel economy. Then you have the speed, these are average, and then you have the trip 1 time, then trip 2 time. And that's what you have as the speedo console of the Multistrada V4S. And apart from that, there are level of fuel indicators. Then you have DRL settings, there are backlight settings, and what not. Then you can also set the pin code. That's what you have. You have this speedo console, which is state of the art. This graphics is also so much nice, and here we can get to see the adjustment for the rear suspension. So you have the different settings: only rider, then rider with baggage, then rider or passenger, then rider with passenger and baggage. So according to the loads, you have different suspension adjustments here. So this is the particular button for your adjustment, and this is the mode button, and this is for your navigation, and this is for your cruise control. And this is a joystick that has been given on this motorcycle with this lovely backlit casing, and you have the horn here along with this pass light and upper dipper. And here you have the signature Ducati engine kill switch, ignition switch, and underneath you have the adjustment for your DRLs and headlamps. So let me just focus it. So that's what you have here, and you can see this handlebar is really wide. Really wide means a lot wide. I need to take up the camera really high in order to compensate in the frame. So guys, there is another clever touch. So you have this pannier adjustment here, so you can adjust the pannier. So guys, that was my video upon the Multistrada V4S at Ducati Mohan Motors. Hope you liked it. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. And coming to the price of this motorcycle, there are several variants. So this is the Multistrada V4S with spoke wheels. So this is the top of the line Multistrada, and it costs at rupees 24,10,000 ex showroom. And below it sits the Multistrada V4S grey color, which is at 23,30,000 ex showroom. And you have the normal Multistrada below it, the normal Multistrada V4S with the alloy wheels. So that cost rupees 23,10,000 ex showroom, and the normal Multistrada V4 costs at 18.99 lakhs ex showroom. So these are all the prices of Ducati Multistrada. If you have any inquiry other than this, then you can contact Ducati Mohan Motors on AJC Bose Road. I will attach the number after this, as well as in the description. You will also have the Google Map link, so please check out if you have any inquiry regarding any Ducati motorcycle. So that's it. This is Ankit Banerjee signing off. Hope to see you in the next video soon.